Alright guys, so I'm making this quick video. RZR 170. It's just got the shocks turned up, 23-inch tires, 12-inch rims, big wheel kit essentially. So the throttle started sticking a little bit, just intermittently. It would stick a little, and I don't know, today now it's full-on madness. So kids can't ride it, took it apart. Just want to do kind of a walkthrough video of how I got to where I got to. So the passenger seat has two 12mm bolts, nuts, studs on the bottom of the seat. And then you're going to take those four 10mm bolts out, that little plastic clip, two plastic clips there, plastic clip on top, that plastic clip, and then there's a pretty good handful of 10mm bolts around the perimeter, and then way up on the inside, there's a screw right here that holds this corner on, a screw here, and a screw here that holds that back side on. Same on both sides. So you take all those 10mm out, this one, that one, and that one, and then the same thing with the clips on this side. This clip, this clip, this clip, this clip, and then 1, 2, and 3 screws. The whole back of the RZR comes off, leaves just the red fender part. So took the carb off, cleaned it, took out the air box, cleaned it, put an outerwears on the filter, and figured out the throttle stick, which ended up being the spring down here, the actual return spring, after I cleaned everything and put it all back together. But it was part of my, it had some odd stuttering sometimes. Not really sure why, but you'd step on the gas and it would kind of like hesitate, sputter, then go. Seemed like it just kind of really wasn't as powerful as it should have been or used to be. So I did all that and she's back to golden, so kids will be happy. They can get back on the 170. We rode it last weekend, and like I said, it was almost like it was getting worse. Well, it was getting worse because the spring had moved over, so then the actual throttle return wasn't going back. I thought it was a carb issue to start with or a cable issue. Not the case.